The race doesn't start till 9 a.m. You can see the clock tower. It is 20 till. This is everybody coming through the park. And the parking on the other side of the park. And this is waterfall. They'll race up there. And here's the vending area where everyone comes through at one time or another. We're right on the corner. Vendors right on the river. You see that? Here's our booth. Oh yeah, we're right next to a donut shop. That's kind of scary. Okay. There's our font signs. Machinists Union. An idea of all the vendor row. All the way through here. All the runners will be coming through here once they're done running. There's Joe, I remember right there. He's running. He's on our corporate team. He's warming up before he goes up to run. Right behind us is a huge concession area where everybody meets afterwards. And they have a big band and eat food and have a good time. Here's the Machinist booth. Pictures of our shops. Everybody's just setting up.
Oh yeah, they just opened what we're seeking is the truth. Frisbees and yo-yos. $100 gas cards down the end. Get started the gas cards. Frisbees and yo-yos. $100 gas card.